Day 6, day 5. Day 5, making omelets. First time I'm not seasick in a while. So we've got salami, tomatoes, egg obviously, lots of cheese which is in the fridge, and then the special ingredient, Italian herbs.
It's a good ingredient, alright. I'm looking forward to this, Dino. Dino's first meal. What do you think, Shane?
I can't wait to taste it.
Hey, only 2 minutes ago you're screaming at me.
And I will still scream, go change your shirt. Guys, you want to see Richard's shirt? This is like really
It's my holy shirt.
Really
this is only a new
bad.
shirt too. Right, I want to check the bilge. I'm going to give it a wiggle on the cables and see if the RPM comes up. Can you do that? Alright? I'll go then give it a wiggle on the cable. Every morning and every night we check the engines, especially doing that night before it gets dark, because the engines always break down at night. Very happy with this engine, because now I've changed all the belts and fixed
Why have the
everything.
motor in the can?
I don't know, Shane. We've been trying to do that all night. Just been motoring, and every time, so we get the wind coming in at north, and then it switches to the east. So like, brilliant. I pull the head sail out. As soon as I pull that out, it turns north on you again. Flap, flap, flap. In it goes. Again, it turns to easterly. Out goes the sail. Flap, flap, flap. Because it goes northerly. Just keep doing that all night. I'm exhausted. Day 5.
Day 5 at sea is coming to an end.
We got young Dean, who's been seasick the whole time.
Yeah, poor Dino succumbed to his seasickness. It's just 2 of us tonight enjoying this sunset. Not much of a sunset. But
Everything has salt all over it. Look at the shrouds.
yeah, Cassius is
Full of salt.
very salty. So yeah, day 5. Nothing to report.
Today's been a good sail though.
Very good sail. Looking forward to a peaceful night. Nothing breaking down, so we can have a good sleep and enjoy Bassas India tomorrow.
Yes, we're going to try and sneak in once again. We're always doing that, aren't we? But we got engine problems.
Oh, also we'll have some sort of problem.
We've got
I'm
loads
sure
of
we'll have
problems. We won't
loads
even
of
talk about it. All that
problems.
pilot stopped last night. Everything breaks. Everything breaks. It's all
But
good.
so far so good. Hopefully no more issues, and see you guys tomorrow in Bassas.
See you in Bassa. We didn't make it to Bassa, India. The reason why we didn't make it back to Bassa, India is because the weather was far, far, far too rough last night. We're beating into the winds all night, and about 10 miles out I decided we're not going. So we did a switch at 4 in the morning and we're sailing over to Barren Islands now. It's just too rough last night, and we would have been anchoring in this sort of conditions right now, and it's too rough for any anchor. Oh, tired, Jen.
It's day 6, and it's the day we've had enough. We are beating into a 3-meter swell. I'm not sure why, because we're expecting nice downwind sailing. Everything's just shaking. It's like being inside a washing machine. You can't sleep. Sore and exhausted. And we also were hoping to stop this morning at Bassas India, this little atoll. And we were hand steering towards it all night last night, just beating into that. But around 3 o'clock in the morning we just gave up because we couldn't do it anymore. And lucky we did, because this morning we saw a French Navy vessel sitting there, and they're not welcome in visiting yachts. And I think they were trying to get us on the radio, but we were long gone. Yeah, this is our day 6. way.
Oh.
Everything's cross-checked, cross-referenced, all good.
Sun has come. The sun has risen on day 7. Backwards.
Oh, wait, you swung under the boat.
Oh, it's a tuna. Oh,
It's a tuna.
it's a dogfin tuna.
That's it, Dino, bring your mother.
Dog tooth up. Yeah.
That's a yellowfin tuna. Alright.
Dear Neptune, this is our last night at sea. Can you please keep the sea calm? No beating into the wind.
King Neptune, thank you so much for our meal. Thank you for fair winds and choppy swell, choppy sea. And our last meal on passage.
I just want to see land.
He just wants to stop.
Finally safely dropped anchor at Barren Islands of Madagascar. We had a swim, we had a good sleep, we had a good rest. So it's time to reminisce about the Mozambique Channel crossing.
Woo! That's what I was going to say, don't sit there, yeah.
It's good to finally see land again. The super hard crossing, my first time ever, but super glad that I did it. And super nice to not be seasick anymore.
Crossing on the Mozambique Channel. We're following the Barren Islands. We're on anchor right now. It's nice and calm. We're collected. We're about to have our first beer. And the sun's setting and we've anchored quite nicely. I'm very happy. I would say that some of the highlights of the crossing were absolutely zero. No, I do tell a lie. The crossing was quite challenging. Highlights of those challenges would be that
We caught a tuna.
we caught a tuna, yes, and I had to fix the engine at 2 in the morning.
Oh,
That was awesome.
That wasn't a highlight.
No, that's
for
a
me.
highlight. That was not a highlight for anybody.
My highlight was sleep.
My highlight was making water and doing laundry on passage.
Boy, I was going to say the water.
Anyway, we made it safely in one piece. The boat has performed exceptionally well, so we're proud of Cassius and all the hard work we put into it. We are across Mozambique Channel. Time to enjoy.
Yes, and we got young guys coming to join us right now. What do they want? We're going to trade some rope or something for some.
Oh, they got lobster!
Turn around, Dino.